welcome back to A Random Hello. Today I'm going to be going through a couple things I purchased from the latest teacher release from the Happy Planner. And first I'm going to be showing you the Wise Teacher sticker pack. So this is the sticker pack for the big size planner. If you want one for the classic size, that's going to be the Rad Teacher, but the Wise Teacher is the big size. So there are generally 3 different color themes that you'll see in this set. This first part right here is what I'm going to call like the fall neutral colors. You've got lots of kind of golden warm tones. It really reminds me of like 70s decor, but it's really pretty. Next we have kind of the wild style with the animal print, and this has that bronze kind of foiling, kind of looks like copper. Mine unfortunately was cut a little uneven, you'll notice in the bottom right corner, so I might have to trim that myself to get that to align properly. The next page is probably one of my favorites. It's got that really pretty pastel color theme. These colors actually look really good with my Hope color palette from my planner that you'll see in the corner. And this page has that rose gold foiling, so it's really pretty. Next are the happy birthday stickers. So there are 2 pages of happy birthday stickers that look pretty much identical. The only difference is that bottom row on the first page is pink and the bottom row on the second page is blue. I teach high school, so I have way more students than there are stickers, so I'll probably just use these stickers for friends and family. Ooh, another one of my favorite pages. I love anything with the pencil motif. There are 6 rows of lesson plan stickers, 6 rows of faculty, and then 3 rows of reschedule. I really like that these are white stickers and not clear stickers, especially for the reschedule stickers, because last year they had the clear versions, but obviously you can tell that I used most of them, and these also have a gold foiling, so it's really pretty, and there's a fine gold foiling on the apples. It's really cute. Next are more functional boxes. I personally don't really use these because I have check boxes already embedded in my planner, but I really love that sticker in the corner. Some more functional boxes. Again, I don't tend to use these, but I will be using those due date stickers for my yearbook due dates. Next is another page of kind of different event stickers. There was a similar page in last year's planner. Do people really have that many half days? Because I don't end up having very many. But this is the one from, I believe it was from last year's sticker pack, with the similar stickers but kind of more of a highlighter look, and this one looks more like a paint splatter. Alright, so this is my least favorite page in the entire book. I don't understand these weird hexagon shapes. It's got that pretty bronze foiling, but why are they irregular hexagons? Is there a planner that I don't know about that has these shapes embedded in it? Because this is a really inconvenient shape to use. Here we have some more of the neutrals. This actually looks like the washi tape that they have. I think it's called natural or neutral vibes, I think is what it's called, but really pretty. Here's another set of textbook stickers, and I think those are crayons. So there were textbooks in last year's planner stickers as well, but they had a very different look to it. And those were paper stickers, while these are clear stickers. You'll notice that the top and bottom textbooks have labels on them, while the 4 in the middle are just blank. Another page I really love, it's got gold foiling again. I'm just going to do some close-up shots because they're just so pretty. I love the sayings on here. I really love that alphabet design. It's just so pretty. I love it. And then just all of these stickers are so nice. I think it's probably one of my absolute favorites. And again, that gold foiling is to die for. All right, here's a page where I'm kind of shocked by the colors. They're very primary. It's very saturated, and it's interesting, but I do like those gold due date stickers, gold foil due date stickers. I think those are really pretty, so I'll probably use those for final deadlines. These stickers look like they could have come from the Bookish or Books Are Magic sticker packs. The colors are a little bit more saturated, but not quite primary colors, and it's really cute, and it's got that gold foiling as well. Here's another page I really like, especially that sticker in the corner. School supplies equal pure happiness, and that is so true. Again, very much like the bookish color theme, and I love these functional boxes that look like paper because I don't usually use those boxes, but that's just really cute. Here are the holidays kind of page as usual. This year though, I think the new addition is the My Birthday sticker that they've included, and it's in gold foiling, and I really like the font for this year. Another page of those event stickers. I believe there might be two exact same pages of these. It's literally like the same exact stickers as the other set that we saw earlier. But yes, these are exactly the same, and there are two copies of it. Once again, the weird irregular hexagons. I don't understand this shape, but these are a bit more readable because of the color of the backgrounds. So these are the same stickers from last year, but so much more functional, so much cuter. So I think I'm going to have to trim these hexagons down to rectangles for me to actually use them, because I can't imagine using these irregular hexagons as is. Next is a page of more checklists. Again, I don't use these because these are embedded into my planner itself. Another page of really cute clear stickers. I love clear stickers with quotes. In particular this time though, I really like that coffee sticker. I wish they made boba stickers like that, because that would be awesome. But really pretty, and gold foiling again. Here are those pencil motifs, but in a different way. I like that script font, and again, there are 6 rows of lesson plans, 6 rows of faculty meetings, and 3 rows of reschedule stickers. These functional boxes are really similar to our previous design once again. So previously they had the brown border to make it kind of look like a chalkboard, and this time they've added a color border, which I think is really fun, especially if you lay out your stickers based on color theme. Next are some more functional stickers, and the Notes Home sticker design on the bottom is something we've seen before. Previously they were on clear stickers, and now they are on paper stickers. So really cute design. Here we have some more assignment boxes with the bookish kind of colored palette. So lots of colors, and it's fun. Some more functional stickers. Again, I believe I've seen this exact same design before. And again, more functional boxes and a few kind of fun square boxes at the bottom. And that's it for the sticker book. So that's the whole Wise Teacher sticker pack that I believe it retails for $19.99, and they're available at the Happy Planner website and at Michael's. Next we have the Dream Big bookmarks. These are for the big planner again, so this would fit an 8.5 by 11 planner, and they come in a pack of 3, so I'm probably going to be sharing these with some of my coworkers, because one of my coworkers last year gave me one of her bookmarks, so I'll probably return the favor this year. My favorite from this set is this one right on top, this pencil motif, as I mentioned before, I love. And it says think, reflect, discover, create, and grow. And it has this turquoise kind of foiling in these kind of circled sprinkles along the back. And the foiling is also along the pencils as well. Now I wish that, although I like the design, I wish it wasn't so transparent. Part of me wants to cover the backside with that white paper that it came with, just so that it doesn't show through, but we'll see if I actually get around to doing that, because the design's not as cute when you can see what's showing through behind it. Next is the pink bookmark. This one has the book designs that we saw earlier in the sticker pack, and this one has a pink foiling with the same kind of circular sprinkles in the background, but it's really cute. This one's also translucent, but not quite as translucent as the white one. Also, the way that these bookmarks align, the white and pink ones align in the same direction, so they're both left aligned, and so the tab will overlap, while the blue one is right aligned, and so it won't overlap when you put them back to back. Now the blue divider has kind of that Happy Planner ring design with the circle with the heart in it, and it says dream big, and it's just really cute. I really love this one as well. This one is definitely less transparent because of the fact that it's on a darker background. So these bookmarks come in a 3-pack and they are $7.99, and I believe they're also on the Happy Planner website and at Michael's. So that's it for my little mini teacher haul from the latest release from the Happy Planner. My next video that's coming up is going to be the walkthrough video that I said I wasn't going to do, but I ended up making it work. So that'll be the next video up on my channel. In the meantime, you can check out my planner at the link at the end of the video. So I'll see you around next time. Bye!